Hey, well, it's the next morning, and I got here a little bit late, but I'm ready to sand this wall. Now, before I sand this wall, I'm telling them we've got to turn the ceiling fan off. They've got some jalousie windows here. We've got to close those. They're closing the doors to the bedrooms. Oh, that's kind of cool. Like that. Here's the bedroom door right here. I kind of like that. That's slick. Okay, and we're closing the bathroom door and the other guest door. We may even cover the couch. We're gonna shut these windows here too. These are called jalousie windows. And you just go like that and close them. Okay, because I don't want any air moving around in here. The idea is when I sand this, I'm gonna try to sand it not really super hard or anything, but then the weight of the dust, I want it to fall down. But if it gets up in the air, if the air is moving around, it's gonna fly around and everywhere in here is gonna get dusty. Just from doing this, you wouldn't believe it until you saw it on your own. That's why I'm trying to give you these tips, okay? So I'm gonna start getting ready to sand this wall. And incidentally, when I'm talking about sanding walls, this is a smooth wall finish on the wall. If this was a light spray texture or something, you could take a sponge and actually wipe it down without sanding it. Did you know that? You could do that and then you wouldn't have to do any sanding at all. But because it's a smooth wall and I'm going to put 2 coats of paint over it, actually they're going to put 1 coat of primer over all the white area and then 2 coats of finish throughout this, okay? I want it to be nice and smooth, so I don't want to just wipe it down with a sponge because I think it's going to get better if I sand it all the way. And I'm going to just lightly sand it, and I've got my paddle sander here. I got it from Home Depot. Okay, and I bought some sanding pads, and the thing on this, there's 25 in here. I didn't need 25, but to buy like 3, you could buy 2 packs of 3 or 2 packs of 5 for the same price or more than 25. So I've got plenty of sanding pads for later on, and I take that, loosen this up, and then it folds over like that. Okay, and I'm just going to use that. All right, let's do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Good job, Marky.